This way!
Eve! Oh my god! He's like a little hippo.
Yes, he is.
Alright, here comes the big one. My turn. Hadley, do you have a 6?
6? Yes!
You gotta give me all your 6s.
Move! That's not what I meant at all.
Who's that? Oh, it's a puppy! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Get it!
Come on, bub. Come on. Good boy.
Why are you so scared of that cat, bro? Can you stop shaking? Chill. He not gonna hurt you. Where to be? That cat scared the dog dookie out of you.
Listen, I was thinking about, do you want to go swimming? Oh! Oh, wait a minute. Wait, Brody. Oh.
Так, ну чё балуемся? Так, ну чё вы? Васек, ты чё?
Denver, I know you don't like to take your ear medicine, but we gotta do it. Come here. Come here. Come on. Let me see.
Lola, you be nice. That's Daddy's friend. Let him pet you.
Okay.
Good girls.
Are you supposed to be up there? Are you supposed to be up here?
Hey.
She drooled!
It was actually really funny.
I see it.
Oh my gosh. What's that dog doing? What's he doing? Yeah.
You feel that strongly about it?
Can you do the head tilt? Can you shake your tilts? Varnum, can you do a head tilt for a la la yummy? A bobby gaboo. You wanna go for a whoop? And the tongue is out to the beat.
Shake. Pig. Shake.
Joy.
Thank you.
What in the world do you do with these dogs? I heard they were all about your personal space, but this is unreal. She has a whole seat with a blanket and a chew toy, and look where she's riding.
What you doing, George? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, there it is.
What are you doing? You gotta come inside, boy. It's freezing. Look at all the snow. Oh my God, Enzo.
Solamente en Cristo.
Solamente en Él, la salvación.
Play the piano. Play some more.
Come on inside. Tonka, come. Come on. Come on.
Please stop. No. No. Come back. No. Oh my God. Just sit still. Storm. No.
I'm going to shotgun.
I'm just gonna scooch it right here from behind.
happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy.
Ya, vamos. Buenas noches a la abuelita. Dale un beso a la abuela. Buenas noches. Buenas noches a la abuelita. Ya, vamos a acostarnos en la cama. Vamos, hijo. Ya, ya basta, basta, vamos. Right.
Right. I'm just trying to stand into this.
Did you open this? Shashi, you were supposed to wait.
We're waiting until Christmas.
Why are you opening your toy?
Huh? Huh?
Maximus? Maximus?
Sit.
Isabella? What are you doing?
Maddie!
Yeah. Party's over? Okay, dog.
Whoopee!
Ja. Of course it's real. Yes, high five! No. High five.
How did she get so dirty that she brought that onto the couch?
Share, Cooper. Thank you.
Okay, here we go.
It's my damn dog. That's my dog. Can you? Can you not do that, Xena? Xena, do not get on the horn. Get in the back. Don't do that. I'll be right back.
They love you.
Tonka, let's go. Come on. Tonka, come.
It's so funny. He's still on swim. You wagging your tail.
Why are you a mess? What did you get into? Shall we go find out? The pancake mix?
Move! That's not what I meant.
Cha-cha-cha, kaliwat kanan mo lang ang iyong hadlang. Pagkembot-kembot lang, la-la-lang. Itigil ang waywang pati.
Sit. What do you want? I can't go outside and play.
Alright. I'm gonna put a little bit of here today we'll put this stuff on it. Oh no, this thing's broken. Oh, here we go. Here's a good one. Want some old bag? Oh. There you go. Good girl. There you go.
What did you do? What did you do?
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal.
One more. One big one. Let Sissy have it. One more.
Sweetheart, do you want to get out? Do you want me to help you out? No. Sure.
Come on. Sunny. I'm sorry, Mama. I scared you.
Pikachu charged. Pikachu, thunder attack.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Get her now. Get her.
Come on, do your little dance.
Get her.
Wow, 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 wow,
It never gets old. Ever.
If you could promise me 2 more doozies, I would take them in a heartbeat. Hugs are so...
Oh, he's really going down.
Did you do this right here? Who tore that Kleenex up? Casey? Casey, did you tear the Kleenex up?
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Good boy.
What are you doing? Protecting the little one?
Y'all want to go?
Who's that?
You might want to wash your fishy ass cooch next time.
Where'd it go?
Oh, Hazel!
Bear. You're supposed to be a golden retriever, a family dog. Can you please let your sister touch you?
All right, teaching my dog a card trick. We'll use this one right here. Go get it. Let me see. Good boy.
Long-standing culture, do they, of hockey in this country? They're really good on ice when it doesn't involve pucks and nets, but they're gonna keep trying. They were overmatched class in every way possible, but it was something to be there. I mean, this was a big moment, and it continued on.
You mentioned the dignitaries. Did the players know that they were going to do that?
Oh, here's the thing. So Sarah Murray, who's the coach of the Korean team, she found out that the president of South Korea, among others, was going to be there. She didn't tell her players. They had enough to worry about. I mean, the pressure of the moment, you know, it was probably a smart thing for her to do.
3 of the North Koreans played. We'll see them play 12.
Gotti, you want some too?
Like what was going through your mind? Go lay down. Go lay down.
Alright, so I'm gonna really try to do bench presses with my dog that's also.
What are we doing right now?
We think Ember swallowed Mom's diamond ring. Hang on. So I'm checking for the chip. There's
That's
the
her chip.
There's the ring.